can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at an altcoin, Solana. Solana currently trades above $223 with a market cap of more than $121 billion. Solana is up 8.9% for the last 1 week, 10% for the last 1 month, and a whopping 54% over the last 1 year. Greed has returned back to the cryptocurrency markets. All coins are pumping. We're not yet in an altcoin season, so that's a good sign. There might still be room for more altcoins to run. We look at Solana's valuation against the US dollar. Over the last few years, guys, should we start selling our Solana? Is the top in? Is there still room to run to higher prices? There's a lot of FOMO building in the cryptocurrency market right now. We'll look at Solana's valuation against Ethereum. We also look at Solana's market cap. We sit around $117 billion. How high can we go in the coming days and coming weeks? We'll be expecting Bitcoin dominance to dump. How will that affect the price of Solana? We'll talk about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. When it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. The altcoin market is seeing renewed optimism. The altcoin market is pumping front, left, and center. WGG gains across the board. Zcash is up a whopping 72% over the last 24 hours. It's safe to say the altcoin market is having a great time while we're pumping to the moon. If you look at what Solana has done over the years, if you take a broader view of what Solana has done since when it was launched, guys, we've seen Solana go from as low as $0.5 where it was trading in May of 2020. We've seen Solana rally to as high as $295. That's crazy. More than a 53,000% move for Solana in just under 6 years. What can I say? The altcoin market is very, very volatile. Volatility in the altcoin market is your friend. It's a future. It's not a bug. It's there to help you. Yes, we can easily see huge dumps gobbling town. That's normal in the altcoin market. For you to get those outsized returns, you have to be able to stomach outsized losses. You have to be able to stomach big drawdowns. Before Solana went on its first crazy run from 2020 to 2021, where we saw Solana pumped up by more than 47,000%. We saw Solana also having huge drawdowns in that process. An argument can be made, guys, that most of the gains in Solana were made from 2020 to 2021. We saw Solana first dumping by 72%. Strong market participants continue holding Solana, believing this time is different. Believing this time is not different to continue pumping to the moon. The second dump saw Solana losing around 6-7% of its value before it went setting new all-time highs. But then the big one came around. The big bear market saw Solana dumping aggressively to gobbling town, saw Solana losing around 96% of its value, which is very, very normal in the altcoin market. The altcoin market sees this kind of huge dumps. Nothing to write home about. Ethereum also dumped 96% at some point in time in its price history. Bitcoin also dumps 90-something% at some point in time in its price history. But since 2022, Solana has been the talk of town in the cryptocurrency market. Most of the market activities have been on Solana. Meme coins have pumped, NFTs have pumped. We've talked about ETFs, we talked about digital asset treasuries. With all the hype, Solana has gone from as low as $8, getting to an all-time high of $295. But guys, there's some warning signals showing across the chart. Yes, Solana has gotten to as high as $295 in 2025. Solana has pumped by more than 3,600% from the bear market bottom, but something just doesn't feel right. Solana's RSI has not gotten to a new all-time highs. The momentum indicators are fading, even though the price is struggling to get to new all-time highs. And something that is very, very important is that there have been an increase in volume in Solana since December of 2020, since March of 2024. And since then, Solana price has just been ranging. Since March of 2024, we have seen Solana price range up 44%. It has also gone down 50%, but Solana has not done anything outrageous, which begs the question, who has been selling Solana this whole time and why have not been able to pump to all-time highs with all the hype, with all the crazy momentum? I believe big players that bought at the bottom, big players that bought when Solana was below $20, when there was max fear in the cryptocurrency market, have been offloading their bags onto retail investors. Retail investors have been buying all through the process, expecting us to at least pump to higher prices at some point in time in the nearest future. Yes, we're going to have that pump, but remember, nothing is guaranteed. More importantly, time is not guaranteed. We saw Solana getting to all-time highs in January of 2025. Donald Trump launches meme coin on the network, so the price getting to new all-time highs then, but we quickly got rejected in that $295 level, and we saw Solana having a dip. That dip took us back to $97, and right now Solana has worked its way back to the $223 level. Can we go higher than that? It's always possible. Can we set new all-time highs? You never want to say never with the cryptocurrency market. Everything is possible. But one thing to watch out for, guys, is the momentum indicator. There's trouble in paradise. At some point in time, the nearest future, you might see some Solana tumbling down to goblin town. Maybe going back to $10, maybe even going back to lower than $10. But right now, we still have some upside to go. Right now, with liquidity in the cryptocurrency market, with hype in the cryptocurrency market, Solana could easily break that $300 level. Maybe even getting to as high as $330, $350. You never want to say never with the altcoin market. Volatility is a future. It's not a bug. Volatility is there to aid you. But as I showed you earlier, guys, for you to get those big gains in the altcoin market, you have to be able to stomach those huge losses that always happens to the downside. If you look at some key details about Solana's fully diluted market cap sits at $136 billion. Solana's all-time high happened on the 19th of January 2025, traded for as high as $295. Right now, Solana is down 24% from that all-time highs. Where can you get some Solana tokens? If you want to get some, you can get some Solana tokens on Binance, on Bybit, on Coinbase Exchange, on OKX, and anywhere you get your popular altcoins, you can get some Solana tokens right there. Solana protocol is designed to facilitate decentralized applications creation. It aims to improve scalability by introducing a proof of history consensus combined with the underlying proof of stake consensus of the blockchain. There's great in cryptocurrency market right now. Bitcoin trades near all-time highs, Ethereum trades near all-time highs, even Solana trades near all-time highs. Don't be scared, guys. The higher we go, the riskier it becomes. Most of the gains are made in the final phase of the market cycle. But then that's where things get crazy. The higher we go, the greedier the market participants become, the more they get ready for the next crash. The pump doesn't last forever, and after the pump comes the dump. Look at Solana's valuation against Ethereum. We saw it getting to new all-time highs earlier in the year. As Ethereum caught a beat, Solana started dumping. Solana's valuation against Ethereum is always fluctuating, but it's giving me vibes of us dumping to Goblin Town. Don't be shocked, guys. In the coming days and the coming weeks, we see Solana dumping aggressively to Goblin Town against Ethereum. But before that dump, we might see it get fake market participants up by pumping. Solana is pumping to that $300 level. Expect it at some level to outperform Ethereum, but don't get carried away, guys. The markets just have two colors, the green candles and the red candles. After the green candles come the red candles. After the red candles come the green candles. It might look very easy, but this simple thing has wrecked a lot of market participants. Your number one job is to buy as low as possible and to sell as high as possible, to buy when there's fear in the market, to sell when greed returns to the cryptocurrency market. If you look at Solana's market cap, near all-time highs, that's another warning flag. More tokens are coming to circulation. I'm seeing that a lot of market participants always forget that it's not all Solana tokens that currently in circulation. We have 610 million total supply, just 543 million of those souls are in circulation. That's why the market cap is near all-time highs, the price is not near all-time highs. Solana's market cap is at $121 billion. We've seen it get to as high as $143 billion. From where we're currently trading, we can easily see it pump to new all-time highs in 24 hours. The last phase of the market cycle, guys, sees crazy pumps. The last 24 hours has seen an altcoin pump by more than 77%. And I won't expect the craziness to stop. I expect us to head straight towards altcoin season. Altcoin season has been known to help altcoins pump aggressively. When we're in altcoin season, altcoins are doing nice, altcoins are doing crazy. Right now, we're not in an altcoin season. If you don't want an altcoin season, means, guys, altcoin season means 75% of the top 50 coins are performing better than Bitcoin over a 90-day period. Solana is up more than 52% over the last 90 days. Bitcoin is just up a measly 10%. So most of the action is in the altcoin market. You're going to be seeing some smart whales flipping their Bitcoin gains in the altcoin market. So expect Bitcoin dominance to dump. Expect Bitcoin dominance to go maybe to as low as 50%. And that will send the altcoin market going parabolic. Drop your thoughts in the comment section. Solana trades at $224. Solana's market cap sits at $121 billion. Are you buying more Solana right now? Are you speculating on the network, expecting higher prices? And more importantly, when will you sell your Solana for some sweet profit? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.